Good evening, YouTube. I would like to welcome you all to my channel, Dollars Make Sense, where on this channel you will find videos about, nothing but videos about making money online. Okay, so if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Velvet. I would like for you to like this video, share it, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload a video. Okay, so today's uh, we're gonna talk about an app that you guys can do a couple of tasks and it'll add the points add up to a certain amount and you can cash out. So we're gonna get into the video. So these are all my apps here. Of course, I've talked about these in the past. I've added a couple new ones, but we'll get into that in another video. But I want to talk mainly about the app we're going to talk about today is Money App. Okay, so I was playing a game that I installed on my phone from this app alone that said all I had to do was make it to a certain level and I'll get my points. So I was awarded today. I was awarded 1,661 points, which gave me 6,219 points, which means I'm able to cash out. Okay, so on this app, basically all you do is you find games on here. You find offers that you guys can complete. Like this is Mahjong City Tours. It's like it sounds like a Japanese game. You play it and you reach level 61 and you complete it. You get 1,343 points. Okay. Um, a lot of people play the casino slot games. I only play the ones that have low levels. Like say it says, play this casino slot game and reach level 10. Once you reach level 10, you get your points. I don't do the ones that go up to 100. I don't do those. Okay, so you guys can do like the Lucky Miner. You you play 60 minutes of any game. You basically download Lucky Miner. You choose a game to play, you install that game, you play it for 60 minutes, and you'll get your points, okay? So, some of these games are really fun. This is a West game. I've never really played this game. The games on here that I have installed on my phone, let's see, there's a game on here that I did install. It's called, The Walking Dead. It was really, really fun and easy to do. You just, do what it says and you get the points. So there's tons of offers. I got the Pirates of the Caribbean. I did not install this app on my phone. It says users needs to reach castle level 15. It's worth 1,972 points. It says download Poll Play and complete 2 short surveys after logging in. You get 473 points. Okay, and Awesome Offer Wall is another one. These are basically trial offers. I would not suggest doing any trial offers. I did some trial offers and I was not credited, so it's up to you. You can choose to do it if you want. Up to you. Okay. If you played Final Fantasy, it says play Final Fantasy: A New Empire, complete power level. If you've played King of Avalon, it tells you what to do. It's worth 9,750 points. Cash Karma, you reach 800 points in Cash Karma, and you get 1,465 points. Like CoinDozer, I have this app installed on my phone. 1,300 points once I reach level 25. Okay, Looney Tunes, you gotta reach level 16. That's easy game to play. I've played it. It's really easy. And they have one right here, level 6. You just reach level 6, and you get 415 points. These points add up, you guys, so it's easy. Like right here, it has this one. Pop Slots Casino Slot Game, reach level 9. And I think I'm actually going to install that because it's a low level and I can reach that in like one day if I wanted to. Okay, so they have really good games on here, They have this one, Marvel. Play Marvel Contest of Champions, complete level 26. You get, 6,500. I'm actually going to install this one right here where you just reach level 27, 6,300 points. There's a lot of stuff on here, you guys. This stuff is not hard, okay? Like, they got The Godfather. You reach level 15. Upgrade your mansion to level 15. You get 4,875 points. Solitaire Deluxe. you install and open and you win 3 games, you get 90 points. I don't know any more apps on here, about any more apps. Candy Bubble, you reach level 35 on here, you get 180 points. Like I said, there's a lot of apps on here. You only have to install and open, and use it for like 1 or 2 minutes. Like I said, you guys can choose what you want to do on here. It's up to you. Like I said, I'm not familiar with a lot of these apps. Survey Junkie, I'm already a part of Survey Junkie, so you know. If you join Survey Junkie and you guys complete your first survey, you'll get 895 points. It's not hard to complete a survey, you guys, on that. This is a good one. You can get 80 points. This is another one, Merge Racing Car. It says get to level 22, complete level 22. These games are not hard, you guys. These are not hard. Like I said, they've added a lot of things since I download and open the app. This is all you do is download the app, open it, and you get your points. 220 points. So you guys can pick and choose what you want to do on here. I'm not going to spend too much time on that, but you get the gist of it. So let's go back here, and there's watch videos. You get 2 points for watching a video. You can do profile. You can get 50 points for your profile for Facebook and a Facebook task. And then the rewards are over here. 5,000 credits for $5, 10,000 credits for 10, 20,000 for 20, and 50,000 for 50. I have reached $5, so I'm going to go ahead and request the payout. Okay, so I will get my money within 3 days. So today's Monday, so Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, I might get it Friday. So Wednesday I might get it. Okay, within 3 business days it says. So I cashed out $5. So I have 1,219 points left. And like I said, I'm going to go, and I'm going to do this while I have you guys on here. I'm going to go and install that, it's on the Fantastic Offer Wall, I think. It was a casino game that I said I was going to install. See, Sam's Club, like I said, Sweet Match Mania reached level 20. Okay, so, see, where's this slot game? It's on this one, it's not on here. Okay, so let's see if it's on here. Actually, hold on, let's go back. I already have this game installed on my phone. So, sorry about that, you guys. But yeah, I cashed out $5. You guys just saw me do a redemption. When I do get it, I will make a payment proof video. So I already have this app installed on my phone. So it's not hard to do, you guys. This stuff is easy. These games are actually pretty fun. So, just figured I'd come on here and show you guys how it works, and that I made it to $5. I actually made it higher than that. I got 6,000 points, and yeah. So I actually really like the fact that that all you do is install the game, you play it, you get the points, and that's it. That's all you do. Like Solitaire Deluxe. I don't even know how to play Solitaire, honestly. You get 90 points. For those of you that know how to play Solitaire, you'll get 90 points. So right now I could play this candy bubble game and get 180 points. I just have to reach level 35. Not hard to do. Guns of Glory, level 18. Right? There's a lot of things on here I can do right now to earn another cash out if I wanted to. So, like right now, this one, you just you reach level 35. It's not hard. This game, racing car, you reach level 22. Okay? This stuff is not hard, you guys. It's pretty easy. Lucky level, just play lucky level, complete level 5. I never played that game. So you get 195 points. Super City Dreamer, you play this, you complete level 22, and you get 1,650 points. If I install this app right now, I get 220 points for installing it and opening it. These games they're not that bad. They're not that bad. So that's it for this video. I just wanted to show you guys, that I made a cash out on Money App. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like this video, share it, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in future videos.